are delighted to have you back, and we are so keen to spend this term seeing you work hard, but also celebrating outstanding hard work and success. So no better place to start than by putting a focus on Sporting Colours Assembly this afternoon, and then as we make our way throughout the week to finish bookend the week on Friday morning at Assembly by having our Cultural Colours Assembly focus. So I'd like to ask Mr Emsley to come forward to lead us through the next part of Assembly. Thank you, sir.
Good afternoon, school. It's a privilege to stand here before you today and as we acknowledge this and celebrate the sporting excellence of our students. The presentation of Sports Colours is merely a recognition of talent, but a testament to commitment, character, and the values that underpin success on and off the sports field. And I think it's quite apt today that our value is resilience, because without that, very little can be achieved, especially on the sports field. To those of you who are receiving your sports colours today, I commend you not only in your accomplishments, but also in the manner in which you've gone about pursuing your endeavours. Congratulations to you all. The first group that we'll be acknowledging today are those that are being re-awarded their colours, either their junior or their senior colours. These students have once again exemplified what we're looking for in St Paul's sports people. It's the courage, the determination and the commitment year on year, and as such have awarded their colours for an additional time. They will be called up as a group, and once we have them in front of us, I'll encourage you to congratulate them on their achievements. A number of these first students are away at Tihoi, nevertheless they do need to be publicly acknowledged. Junior Colours Re-Award, Xavier van Kaak, basketball. Billy Smythe, rugby. Josh Hart, indoor cricket, Tihoi. Mackay Murray, indoor cricket, Tihoi. Ashley Lander. And moving on to our Senior Colours Re-Award, Annabella Weir, equestrian, make your way up. Aidan Hodgson, basketball. Campbell Soanes, cricket, absent. Matthew Taylor, equestrian. Benjamin Lau, hockey. Quinn Harris, hockey. Richard Wang, inline hockey. Kira Lloyd, lacrosse. Annika Cowley, netball. Jasmine Davis, netball. Finn Fremantle, swimming. Josh Park, swimming. Lani Jarrett, swimming. Neo Ehrlich, swimming. Emma Fletcher, swimming. Congratulations to these sportsmen. Moving on to our junior colours individuals, we acknowledge these sports people who have received their junior colours. That is for those participating in under 16 or below category. What we'll do this time is they'll be coming up in smaller groups of 8 to 10. Once we have a group in front of us, I'll encourage you to put your hands together to congratulate them. Junior colours, Pippa Earwaker, equestrian. Tyler Percy-Graham, hockey. Noah Candelaria, hockey. Michaela Hollins, hockey. Jack Roberts, indoor cricket. Matai Lake, indoor cricket. Andrew Wang, inline hockey. Claudia Houseful, netball. Livy Perenara, netball. Put your hands together for these recipients, please. Caleb De Bruyn, rugby, absent. Mitchell DeLuca Oliveira, rugby. Josh Kibbe, rugby. Hemi Gregory, squash. Addison Walsh, swimming. William Etherington, water polo. Shannon Yu, taekwondo. Julia Cheng, taekwondo. Congratulations to these recipients. Moving on to our senior colours. Caden Govender, chess. Stella Hoskin, cricket. Grace Buckley, equestrian. Riley Binney, football. Roy Zhu, futsal. Lucy Hadley, hockey. Iona Matanoga, hockey. Paige Hopping, hockey. Hayley Hanna, hockey. Marla Suvako Thomas, hockey. Congratulations to these recipients. Lucy O'Reilly, lacrosse. Briley Gunson, motocross. Holla Adams is absent, that's on her way. A recipient of 2 colours for mountain biking and volleyball. Zoe Tebbit, netball. Lucas Hale, rugby. Quintus Daniel, rugby. Rocky Hoy, swimming. Layla Stewart, volleyball. Olive Rose Hapuku, weightlifting. Congratulations to the final sports guys. The next group of students that we'll be acknowledging have given their own time in support not only of their own success but that of each other, of other students. Given the nature of their contribution, makes them deserved recipients of service to sport for the school. Fred McKenzie, basketball. Finn Bell, football. Boston Clark, golf. Jack Ganley, hockey. Freddie Quinn, hockey. Maya Wilson, netball. Charlotte Belts, rowing. Oliver Jones, rowing. Riley Watson, rowing. William Peoples, rowing. Fletcher Rogers, rowing. Finn Rayner, rowing. Georgia Roberts, rowing. Freddie Saville, rowing. Cameron Lelich, rowing. Thomas Hickey, rugby. Senshiro Takahashi, volleyball. Congratulations and our thanks to these recipients. Our final acknowledgements today go to two students who have not only served and performed at the highest level in their chosen sport, but have made significant contributions across all sports in their roles as school sports prefects for 2025. I would like to thank them on behalf of their school for their selfless contribution to St. Paul's sport throughout this year. Jasmine Davis. Jasmine has served with pride and purpose as a sports prefect this year, displaying outstanding commitment to both her peers and wider co-curricular program. Jasmine is a key member of the Premier Netball team since arriving in 2023 as a year 11. She is calm and quiet, yet determined. She leads by her actions on the court. Campbell Boyd. Campbell has led with quiet strength and unwavering commitment in his role as sports prefect. He has led with dependable, approachable, and deeply invested in supporting both players and staff at events across a wide range of codes. Always leading by example, Campbell's work ethic and team-first attitude has set a strong standard for others to follow. As a member of both the First 15 Rugby and First 11 Cricket in 2024 and 2025, where he has played a significant leadership role in both teams, a quiet, humble, and well-respected by his peers. On behalf of the school, I'd like to thank both of you for your service. Congratulations.
Thank you so much to you, Mr. Emsley. In your leadership of all things sport here at the school, we're incredibly fortunate. We're unfortunate because you're a passionate sportsman yourself and you understand the value of sport, the ability to bring people together, the ability to put competition and challenge at the forefront of people's thinking, the ability to challenge the idea of friendships, of camaraderie, to make history and memory, and the activation of body so that mind and heart can be activated as well. You are passionate about all of those things. Yet again in 2025 you have led superbly, incredibly well assisted by different directors of sporting codes, our teaching staff members who have tirelessly given up evenings, mornings, weekends, holidays in order to create the type of team units that have allowed young people to flourish. To you, to Mrs. Ardern and to the wider staff, heartfelt thanks for the way in which you have led. As a school, could you join with me in recognising staff in the sporting capacity in 2025?